Hello, we would like to take you all to the journey of Sri Rajendra Memorial Academy. The huge building with excellent staff and natural atmosphere are the qualities.
स्वर्गीय श्री राजेंद्र गिरी हमारे पूज्य पिताजी, जो इस क्षेत्र के शिक्षा व खेल जगत के पितामह थे, उनके व्यक्तित्व को और उनके कृतित्व को जीवंत रखने के लिए आने वाली पीढ़ियों को एक प्रेरणा मिले, एक उचित मार्गदर्शन मिले, उनके नाम पर ये एकेडमी का सपना जो मेरा था वो उसको धरातल पे लाना एक शिक्षक पुत्र होने के नाते मेरा कर्तव्य था, जिसका मैंने निर्वहन किया। ये एकेडमी जहाँ शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अग्रणी हो, वहीं खेल की तमाम विधाएं और सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों की तमाम सी विधाओं जो व्यक्ति के सर्वांगीण विकास में सहायक होती हैं, उन सब के साथ ये एकेडमी आगे बढ़े, नगर, जनपद और प्रदेश में अग्रणी स्थान प्राप्त करे। इस कामना के साथ, इस उद्देश्य के साथ इस एकेडमी को लेके चल रहे हैं। यहाँ में छात्र छात्राओं का सर्वांगीण विकास हो, जो प्रदेश और देश के लिए उदाहरण बन सकें, इस कामना के साथ ये एकेडमी काम कर रही है।
Hello and Jai Hind. We feel proud to be a part of one of the best schools in the city. Here we are taught in such a way that the main motto of this school is conceptual learning, student-centric approach and preparing the student to become the best and ideal citizen. Girls' education and safety is the prime concern of our institution. We also get incentive in fee. It is the best school for holistic development.
Let's take you all to the God's lab in the form of morning assembly. Here is the children of class nursery to KG. The children of class 1st to 12th.
India is my country and all its staff, my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be and worthy of it. I shall always give respect to my parents, teachers, and
Now,
my elders.
let's meet with some of us sharing our joy and experience of the academy.
Good morning, I Kavya from class 8A and I am a part of Sri Rajendra Giri Memorial Academy. Our institute is one of the best institute in our city. The teachers of our institute are really very cooperative with the students. Our institute not only focus on quality education but also focus on co-curricular activities like sports, cultural programs, art and craft and many more. I am really proud to be a part of this institute. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sidra Kafil from class 4th A. It is my immense pleasure to share my views. At the age of 4 years, I remember my mom leading me to the Sri Rajendra Giri Memorial Academy. It was too difficult for me to let go of my mom's hand. Two loving teachers threw their arms around me and embraced me tight, reassuring me that all was going to be fine at the school. So, from that day, I have always felt welcomed and a part of Sri Rajendra Giri's family. Today I'm standing here and having my reason why I simply love my school. My school is my second home. Our teachers are always there as our safety nets. My teachers motivates me to challenge myself in every way, while also making time for endless laughter and fun. Our teachers are we are taught to grab new experiences and lessons. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Yashasvi Singh, studying in class 7B. I have been studying here since 4 years back. My school is the abode of learning. It provides good and quality educations. Teachers teaching here are very laborious and well versed in their field. Thank you.
From class 3rd A. The atmosphere of my school is amazing. It is surrounded by trees, beautiful flowers and greenery. We learn here in play way method. Thank you. I love to go to school.
We will start about to study the test of acid and base with the help of litmus paper. Now let us do the practical. So I have taken a blue litmus paper, okay, in the watch glass, and I have taken a base. We don't know if you have given that test what it is, a base or a acid, okay, in a test tube. Okay. Now we will pour it and see which color it turns. Okay. See that the litmus paper turns red. Okay.
Everyone, I Alok Mishra, Principal of Sri Rajendra Giri Memorial Academy, welcome you. Schooling is the right and privilege of children as they are the future and lifeline of the nation. We have responsibility to transform young minds into prolific human resources. We at SRGNA provide a nurturing and caring environment for the overall development. A cultivated mind should be the ultimate aim of human life. We believe in the power of innovation and dissemination of knowledge. I am honored to serve as the principal of Sri Rajendra Giri Memorial Academy. Thank you and have a nice day.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the passion of dance with more fun. Built in the lab of nature to provide the best and healthy environment to the students.
Let's introduce you some of the games being played by us like badminton, football, volleyball and basketball. What you see is the biggest playground and only shooting range in the district.
How many quadrants do we have in total? 4. In Cartesian plane? 4. Let us locate a circle. On a Cartesian plane such that center of circle coincides with the origin of the Cartesian plane. What are the coordinates of origin? Coordinates of origin 0,
Today your period is English. We are going to start with preposition. So you know example in, on, under, behind or on, under the table. Now see, water bottle is under the table. Yes. And your bag is on the desk. Bag is on the desk. Okay.
Today we will discuss about the angiosperm, type of angiosperm and how to identify the monocot and dicot. Angiosperm are two types. First is monocot and dicot. Second question is how to identify monocot and dicot. We have the two plants. One is the monocot. Hibiscus. How many petals are present? 5. Calyx are? 5. So that is so the dicot flower? Yes, sir. Mainly is the pentamerous. The main difference between the dicot and monocot flower is pentamerous in multiple in number. And monocot in trimerous.
Hey there, we have the maximum opportunities to learn in our lush green and peaceful surroundings of our academy. Our teacher believes in the quality education on the basis of cultivation of mind and enhancing of knowledge. Our school also takes us to some excursion to learn something new. Thank you.
Our school provides us a very secure facility of transport. Come and join us to SRGMA to have fun and get all the facilities we get.